Hello everyone. Title of the project is Smart Bus System for the Blind. This video covers abstraction, description, detailed circuit explanation, and the complete working of the project. Let's start with a quick abstract about the project. This project depicts a transport acknowledgement framework which helps the visually impaired individuals in using the public transport. It is difficult for the visually impaired to travel from one place to another place without assistance, and hence they need some special requirement to travel. The blind person gives the input about his destination using an Android app through the mobile phone. The latitude and longitude of the present location of the blind person will be noted in the microcontroller of the blind unit with the help of a GPS antenna. The stored information in the microcontroller of the blind unit is transmitted to the bus unit in the transport vehicle through RF COM. It is displayed in the bus unit that the visually impaired individuals are waiting in the bus station. Voice module, which is a speaker or a headset, and APR 9600, which is an audio playback systems, are used to update and inform the blind person about the bus arriving and reaching the destination. Audio output is given by a 16 ohm speaker. The expected outcome of the project is to obtain an easy navigation system for the blind people. Now, description of the project. The project, Smart Bus System for the Blind, aims in easy travel for the blind person with the help of wireless sensor networks. This system is mainly composed of Arduino microcontroller, GPS, audio playback circuit, speaker, Bluetooth, and RF comms. The receiver in the bus unit will receive signals which are transmitted by the transmitter module in the blind unit. The transmission and the reception of the signals takes place within the 30 meters range, so that the blind person can easily get information about the bus arrival. In this project, the location of the blind person is informed to the bus driver by the LCD module. The audio playback is used in the blind unit to alert the blind about the bus arrival and the destination through the speaker. The GPS unit in the blind unit continuously tracks the location, which is the latitude and the longitude of the blind. This is the complete circuit consisting of both blind and bus units. Now, coming to blind unit. The parts consisting in the blind unit are Arduino Nano, APR 9600, a mic, a 16 ohm speaker, a toggle switch, Bluetooth module, GPS module, Wi-Fi module, and a 4-bit RF receiver. Here the APR 9600 is a sound record or play IC. It is provided with 8 channels for the audio storage. In each channel I have recorded my voice for to play during the working. Now I have dumped the file locations of 2 files through a Python script into the Wi-Fi module, which are bus routes and the bus stops. The data mentioned in the bus routes include the points of the starting and the destination location points with the bus numbers, while the data in the bus stops include the names of the bus stops with its latitude and longitude values. I later shall be explaining about them in detail in the working section of the video. Now, I am giving an input from phone through an Android application which is connected to the HC05 module, which is the Bluetooth module, through Bluetooth. Once the signal is transmitted to the Wi-Fi module from the file bus stop, it retrieves the latitude and longitude and the bus numbers. It retrieves the latitude and longitude and the bus numbers for the travel. It verifies the blind person's location through the GPS module, and that keeps updating that person's location. And according to the information passed by the RF receiver, an audio will be played from the particular situation for the particular situation. For example, when the system starts, it will be asked to provide with an input. So it would play a sound saying, "Please enter your destination." And if the system has found the appropriate route and the bus has arrived, then it will play, "Bus has arrived. Please get into the bus." Now coming to the bus unit. The parts consisting in this bus unit circuit are micro switch, Arduino Nano, RFID modem, a 4-bit RF transmitter, and a LCD display. This unit is responsible for transmission of data of the blind unit. The LCD here is used to display the bus numbers. As this is just a sample prototype, I included a 3-pin SPDT micro switch which is connected to the RF transmitter through Nano. Let's assume an integer named bus number. So when the circuit is turned on, its initial value would be 0. After a click is made to the switch, the integer gets its value appended by 1, which means the bus number will be 1. And the same value in a binary format will be given to the RF transmitter through the nano, and that transmitted data will be received by the RF receiver in the blind unit. Upon receiving the data about the bus number in the blind unit, it would start verifying that number with its database. If the number is matched, an audio will be played for the blind person saying that the bus has arrived.